Everybody wish they could live. Only a chosen few make it.
Look at this, man. This is crazy. I'm recording all this. Wow. What's this, the Goliath? Yeah. All right, y'all. So we made it into Six Flags. Cadence leg is blue because of the sunscreen stuff. Out here looking like an Oompa Loompa or a Smurf. All right, y'all. Oh, Candy Coaster Kitchen. They got the water. Pound Cake Co. Souvenirs and apparel. Hot Stuff Souvenirs. The Law Jamboree. Ain't rolled that in a minute. And you got the Georgia Scorcher right here. You say what?
Sunrise Carolina.
Oh yeah.
And they had
Toasted pretzels, twisted. I'm talking about toasted twisted pretzels.
they show you which
It's called Pandemonium. What's this? Photo booth. Whistle Stop Bar. Six Flags. Company. Oh, Delise and Cadence is way up there. They done left me. Another ride over here. We're trying to find Hurricane Harbor. First thing we're going to. Swing. Lakeside Pavilions over there. What? what is this one right here? This used to be the Ninja. Just kind of jerk you around. Is it still the same? But it wasn't this color, so what is it now? There's a screen machine over there behind it, the white one. I think that's probably, that used to be their most famous one. Let's see. Coming out. Wow. Train. Alright. That's the Superman. Metropolis, City of Tomorrow. Metropolis games. Here's the screen machine right here. People getting on. Screen machine going right there. All right, y'all. We finally made it to Hurricane Harbor. Whew. Okay.
This way is straight to the wave pool.
Okay. Where do they have a splash pad? Is this a kid's splash pad? Is it two of them or one?
Wait, what's the splash pad?
Like for the kids, like for his dog.
Oh yeah, they just you can send your kid in there.
Right here.
Just one big one?
Yeah, I think so.
I couldn't put it up on a map or nothing.
Yeah, I pulled it up.
So there's a wave pool over there.
Hall of Justice, superhero store, the train tracks, a train sitting over there.
Oh, this is the train ride.
Yeah, the track. Got that there. Cadence, you ready, buddy? Kids area all over that way. Oh look, there it go, going back and forth. Right, right. Look, we raising up, buddy. Woo! Look how he looking. Woo! Up, up, and away. Actually, that's the name of this ride. That's funny. Woo! All this water dripping.
No, it made me miss water. I can't look around.
Okay, don't look around. He liked the boat better than this one.
That's mine.
Not at the moment. He looking around. He was laughing on the boat. So y'all, Cadence fell asleep on the ride. Look at her, eyes closed. He done went to sleep on the ride. You tired, but we done wore you out this splash pad. He's like, all right. I done rode 2 rides and ran through the splash pad of water. That's enough. It's past your nap time anyway, so. Knocked out. Look, hand falling in everything. So, got some mozzarella sticks. I had pepperoni pizza. It came with 2 breadsticks, but I was so hungry I forgot to record it. So then I realized after the fact, but pepperoni pizza. Beware, the pizza, a slice of pizza and 2 breadsticks is $17.49. And the mozzarella sticks, I forgot how much, what, $11.49 for the mozzarella sticks. But then, if you have a season pass, you get 10% off, and it took off like $2 and some change, and it was still like $27 and some change. So, it'd be $30 just for this. Jeez. Look at the little Batman helicopters.
Yeah, that's Looney Tunes version.
Yeah.
Why you go? paid out. Y'all, we got one of the rides, the family rides. Cadence goes on a ride. Houseway. This boy, he's having time. And Derek is on Goliath. He's gonna come around here in a second. Let me see if I can catch him.
All right, y'all. We're entering Gotham City. It's about to get real. All right. It's Mindbender up there. That blue one is Batman. Harley Quinn, Wild World, sorry. Catwoman, Whip.